Exercise number 10 in the second Taiso exercise routine. We're into double figures. We're going to shake the back. Now, again, I can't say this enough, be careful with your back. These exercises are good for your spine and your back and your trunk and everything else, but you still need to be careful because you are putting things through a full range of motion, and you probably don't have that full range of motion yet. By the time you do, you won't need these videos anymore because you will have your own little written notes and you will just be doing it yourself. But in the early stages, please be careful. Now, in this one, we start with our feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to do it sideways so you can see it better. We bring our hands up overhead, and much like what we did before, we're going to keep those knees a little bit bent. We're going to bring the hands back, but we're going to keep the upper body where it is, and we're just going to try and bring the arms up as far as we can, which will be about there, or for you might be a little bit more, and then come all the way back, but then only go halfway. So about there, back, and come up. That is the exercise. It's like a little back shake. This motion, the motion there is the stretch, and by easiest way is to show you. So I can get my arms up straight like that, there. However, when I bend over like that, I'm already utilizing some of the muscles in my back. Therefore, when I try and do the same thing, I can't. And that's a good way of exposing how we're not necessarily using our body to its full extent. We are just doing the best we can based on what we do in our daily lives. But that's why when we come to do something a bit more energetic, or something that requires a bit more strength and agility and flexibility, we can't. It's because our muscles have atrophied to the point where they can't do what they want to do. So exercises like these are going to help. So arms are overhead, we come down to there, so that the upper body is now where it's going to stay. Arms come up as far as they can, but only the once, and then we come down, and then we do 2 half swings. 1, 2, and then up. And we do 4 of those, just as we have been doing for everything else. Really kind of just focus on how it feels. You know, the point of this, what I want to focus on a little bit more in this series, is how things feel. You feeling your muscles, you feeling what is being worked, you feeling, how you feel afterwards, because these things are important. The reason that I don't really want you watching on a computer screen or your tablet or your phone when you're doing it is because you will end up just doing that. You won't be focusing, you'll be focusing more on me, focusing more on the video than you will in how your body feels. So that's why I would prefer you to learn the movements, make your own notes if need be, but then do it yourselves. There's not that many, it's easy to memorize. So just consider doing it that way for me, please. So 4 of these, don't forget the backs. 1, half, half. 1, half, half. 1, half, half. 1, half, half, and done. I've added those extra little half swings in there just to link the 4 moves together, but equally you can just do 1, and then another 1, and then another 1, and another 1. But there's nothing wrong with just adding those extra little swings just to join the 4 repetitions together. So let's spin around. Oh, actually no. Oh yeah, I will. I wasn't going to spin around because we've kind of done it on the side, so we can still do it together, but I will do it just for consistency. So over the top, 1, 2 half swings. 1, 2 half swings. 1, 2 half swings. 1, 2 half swings. So again, you can see what I mean by shake the back, or it's a stretch. It's a bit like that, but it's not a bounce. Stretching and bouncing do not go together. We are doing a nice relaxed swing and a stretch. It's not a bounce. But that is exercise number 10 in the second Taiso exercise routine, double figures, and that is, don't forget, the back.